before Egypt there was Kush. Nimrod, son of Kush, built Babylon, Akkad, and Nineveh. He was a black king, descendant of Ham. His brothers, Mizraim, Canaan, and Phut, spread across Africa. That's why to this day, African rulers are called Amakosi, the Kushite kings. Egypt never stood alone. Egypt and Kush were one bloodline. When foreign invaders came, King Pi of Kush marched north and became pharaoh. When Egypt fell to foreigners, the Kushite capital Meroe rose, until the mighty Aksum Empire dominated trade from Africa to Rome, Persia, and India. While Aksum thrived in the east, Ghana rose in the west, the Shensi Empire ruled seas, and in the south came Mapungubwe, Great Zimbabwe, Butwa, and Mapungubwe, ancestors of the Shona, Nguni, and Kalenga. This is Africa's hidden truth, a land of interconnected empires, kings, and nations that shaped the ancient world.